Hello, welcome back, dear students, to Maps Online classes. English Standard 5, Unit 2, The Bird's Eye. This is a story from Mahabharata. The young Pandavas and Kauravas who learnt their archery skills from their teacher Dronacharya were going to be tested for their archery skills. Let us watch and see who was able to target the bird's eye and shoot the arrow.
The Pandavas and Kauravas were studying in Kurukula under the guidance of Acharya Drona. One day, Guru Drona wanted to test his students' skill in archery. He called all of them. My dear students, assemble here.
Yes, Guru.
Yudhishthira, come here.
Yes, Guru.
Aim at the bird's eye. Yudhishthira, tell me, what are you able to see?
The bird, oh Guru.
All right, move back. You need more practice. Bhima, come forward and aim at the bird's eye.
Yes, Guru.
Bhima, tell me, what are the things you see?
The bird and its base.
You two need more practice. Go back. Duryodhana, come forward and try the same.
Yes, Guru.
Duryodhana, what do you see?
The bird, its base, and some clouds, Guru.
Your aim is really bad. You need a lot more practice. Arjuna, come here and aim the target.
Yes, Guru.
What do you see, Arjuna?
Eye of the bird, and eye of the bird only.
Shoot now. Good, my dear students. This sort of concentration is what makes a great archer. Arjuna, I wish for you to become the best archer in the whole world.
This was the beginning of Arjuna's amazing talent in archery, which continued forever thereafter.
For your homework, complete Comprehension 1, Exercise A and B on page number 34. Thank you. See you in the next class with another video.